Hi everyone, thanks for watching. This is AMRC and I'm Alex. Today I'll be flying the T-28 Trojan 1.1 meter version for the first time on 4S. This was long due, so let's go. Oh yeah, about half throttle now. Definitely feel the improvement in speed and power. It's full throttle right now. Still in safe. Okay, this is less than half. Let me bring it down a bit lower. There's no power now. Such an easy to fly plane. Finally got some good weather. The last 2 or 3 weeks been either rain or wind or both, and pretty cold. Got sunshine today and no wind, so what can be better? Man, it's so easy to fly. You got a truck coming. Sorry about the noise. Last time I flew it, it was very windy. It was the Maiden. And I saw it wants to roll. When I opened it up, I did see the back end of the wing where it attaches to the fuse. Those two mounting bolts are kind of crooked, so I think that's it. That's the cause. I took a better look today, and either seems the wings are not even. Okay, let's try a loop. And we roll. This thing is just so predictable. Still getting used to it, but still use safe just in case I get disoriented, but this thing honestly doesn't need it. Look how slow I can turn it, almost on a dime. It's no safe now. Hasn't been for like the last minute. Looks like I have a lot of traffic today around here. Look, a Unimog. Okay, he's out of the way. Let me try another low pass. There's no power now, just gliding it. It's unsafe. It just flies. Full throttle. It's so quiet. I don't know if it's the prop or just the shape of the plane. That's about the best I can do so far. Loops and rolls. Hammerhead, I think they call that. I've been practicing a bit in real flight. Several planes, including this one, and yeah, it's just like the real one in real flight. So easy to fly. Without safe, without anything. Okay, battery's starting to get low. Okay, just past 4 minutes. I think we got a truck that's gonna start soon, so I'll circle around and let him pass. No power now. It's still climbing. Still no power. Okay, give it a bit of juice now. That's like 25% throttle. Let the truck pass. Okay, nothing coming that way. Nothing from there. Okay, let's try landing. Just doesn't want to come down. Oh, bit bouncy there. Okay, it stopped. Let's see if I can bring it back. Oop. Okay guys, I can only recommend this plane, especially on 4S. It's not lightning fast, but it's a really gentle flyer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're not already. See ya. Bye.